Can someone commit a crime but still not be held legally responsible for it? In South African law, the answer is yes. This concept is called criminal incapacity and can apply in cases involving children or people suffering from serious mental illness. In South African law, a person can only be convicted of a crime if they had criminal capacity at the time of the offense. Criminal capacity means the person must have been able to understand that their conduct was wrongful and control their actions accordingly. If someone lacks this ability, the law may consider them criminally incapable, meaning they cannot be held criminally responsible for the offense. Can a child go to jail in South Africa? The law draws a very clear line. Under the Child Justice Act 75 of 2008, children under 10 years old cannot be prosecuted for a crime because they are considered criminally incapable. Children between 10 and 14 years old are presumed to lack criminal capacity. This means that the prosecution must prove that the child understood the difference between right and wrong before criminal responsibility can apply. The criminal justice system recognizes that children may not fully understand the consequences of their actions. What happens if someone commits a crime while suffering from a serious mental illness? South African law recognizes that mental illness can affect a person's ability to understand or control their actions. According to the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977, a person may not be criminally responsible if, due to mental illness or intellectual disability, they could not appreciate the wrongfulness of their actions or act in accordance with that understanding. If this defense is raised, the court may order psychiatric evaluation to determine the accused's mental condition. If someone is found criminally incapable, does that mean that they can simply walk free? In reality, the law balances the rights of the accused with public safety. If a court finds that an accused person lacked criminal capacity due to mental illness, the person is not convicted of the crime. However, the court may order that they be detained in a psychiatric hospital, prison, hospital, or released under strict conditions depending on the circumstances. These decisions are governed by the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977. Why legal representation is crucial. Cases involving criminal incapacity are some of the most complex matters in criminal law. These cases often require expert medical evidence and specialized legal arguments. When criminal capacity is questioned, courts must carefully consider psychiatric reports, expert testimony, and the facts of the case. Whether the issue involves a child or a person suffering from mental illness, the legal process can be complicated and highly technical. This is why having an experienced criminal defense attorney is so important. In South African law, criminal responsibility depends not only on what happened, but also on whether the person had capacity to understand and control their actions. The law recognizes that children and individuals suffering from serious mental illness may lack this capacity. If you're facing a criminal matter involving these issues, contact 𝗂𝗂𝗄𝗃 Attorneys Criminal Law Specialist today. Visit www.𝗂𝗂𝗄𝗃attorneys.co.za for expert legal guidance and follow us for more practical legal insights.